Hello humans! Welcome to the less noisy channel on the internet. It's finally time to start with the random challenges, also here on the beeping. My randomizer is ready to give me a new crappy challenge, so let's see what we get.
Let's choose the beeping. Okay, let's hit start. Well, yeah, it's doable. It's doable. It's not the easiest thing, but it's doable.
Well, today we will attempt to do some sound design using just MAX MSP, the same exact program I used some videos ago to do the 3D animation challenge. This won't be the easiest sound design I've done, but
it's doable.
And now that I've said it, let's prove I'm wrong as usual.
Ready?
I'm Artificial Marvin and you're watching The Beeping. I decided to start very basic with this challenge, because I need to regain confidence with this program. I will do just the essential sounds to build up a basic beat, so my plan is to recreate the following sounds in the easiest way possible. And to do this, I will need just a kick, a snare, some hats, a bass and a pad. In this way, I think I could even produce a little beat to demonstrate my sounds at the end. Okay, let's begin. I decided that I'll take it easy for this time and use the Ableton interface to write the score that I will pass to Max as inputs. I could do all inside the box in Max, but in this way, using the Ableton interface, I will bypass all the problems involved in figuring out how to design a scoring system myself. First thing first, I need a kick. Creating a basic kick, it's not that hard. You need just an oscillator and a couple of ADSR modules.
An oscillator is basically a signal generator that produces a signal of a particular frequency. An audio oscillator produces frequencies that are within the range of frequencies audible by the human ear. The ADSR envelope describes a series of values changing over time, and it is usually used to automate parameters for modulating the dynamic of a sound.
For the kick, I kept a fairly minimal approach, and usually the easiest way to create one is changing pitch very quickly and filtering the high frequencies. I connected my oscillator to the output and I added a slider to control the volume. After that, I tried to add an ADSR to my oscillator, and after a lot of tries, I finally understood how to make it work fine. Anyway, I managed to get fairly quickly a decent sound for the kick. But I had to face a little challenge. In fact, I noticed that I was losing all the settings when closing the Max window. So I decided to sample the sound every time an instrument was finalized. And after sampling the kick, it is time to make the snare. For the snare, I reused the kick patch as a bass. I just added a white noise oscillator and filtered the lower frequencies. And the same exact thing I did for the hat. I just had to filter some more low-mid frequencies and play a bit with the envelope. Talking about the bass, even in this case, I tried to stay basic and simple. So, the process is similar to the last ones. One oscillator, ADSR for the volume modulation and a filter. After that, I tried to build up a quick beat, in order to understand if these sounds work together. So I did a very basic drum pattern, and after finalizing the bass sound, I spent a little time on the piano roll to create a decent melody. Finally, I created a polyphonic synth pad to make the beat more rich in textures. And after tweaking the synth I just assembled, I worked on the chords and tried to complement the other instruments to have at least a decent beat. Okay, this is the final beat I got at the end of this sound design session. And to make you appreciate it better, for the final result I made some more editing and I ended up with a whole song. And so, this is the final result. What do you think? If you have any comment or suggestion, please write it in the section down below.
What's the difference between a musician and a large pizza? A large pizza can feed a family of 4. You know what they say about cliffhangers? When she told me I was average, she was just being mean. Which side of the chicken has more feathers? The outside.
If you liked this video, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button. Until the next challenge, always, thank you for watching, bye humans!